Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how to code with basic text formatting HTML elements. HTML provides the elements like H1, H2, H3 and so on up to H6 order of formatting elements. Each HTML heading has its default size, where H1 H1 defines the most important heading and H6 defines the least important heading. Now let us see how these headings work. Let's create a basic HTML document. And here I am giving H1. This is heading H1. Now save this file and open with live server. See, this is the way that heading in H1 appears. Now let's see how the heading in H6 appears. Save this file and go to Chrome. This is heading in H1 and this is heading in H6, which you can differ and see. This heading in H1 is defined as most important heading with 32 pixel size, and the heading in H6 defines the least important heading with 10 pixel size. Now let us see how other heading works. H2, H3, H4 and H5. Now you can compare the sizes. This is how the heading works. Now let us see the list elements. The data in the web pages are better perceived when it is organized into the list. The list can either be numbered or unnumbered, that is ordered list and unordered list. Now let us look into them. The syntax for ordered list is and the list items li. For unordered list, with list items li. Now let us see how these list elements work. Ordered list, first I am seeing for ordered list. Item 1, and this is for item 2, and item 3. Now save this file and look into the browser. We can see the ordered list 1, 2, 3. And now if we see for unordered list, you can see the difference. Now we can, for unordered list, we can give the type as, now I am giving circle, you are getting a circle here. For same as for ordered list, if you give type as 1, save this and see, you'll get numbers. Or if you give capital A, save this, you can see the difference. For Roman numbers, you can give I, and that's it. There is one more type of list, that is description list. Now let us look into that. Description list displays a list of terms and their description. The DL tag defines the description list. The DT tag defines the description term, and the DD tag contains the definition of the description term. Now let us see how this description list works. Description list, description title, and in this I am giving title. After that, description data, DD. Now save this file and see how this code works. And if we give one more description, title and data, description data, this is how it appears with the title and data. If you like this video, please like, share, and if you have any doubts, comment below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.